Hello. So to solve problems like this, we need to first understand the methodology, the way we look at this problem. So we focus on methodology. Methodology means which category this problem belongs to. Category means part of maths, concepts. What do I mean by this? Find out whether it's arithmetic problem, algebraic problem, equation type problem. What else? Once we know what kind of a problem is this, then it will become easy for us to solve it logically. What do I mean by logic is this. Suppose if I try to solve the same problem like this, x is equal to x by 5. 5 moves this side and becomes a multiplier like this. 5 times x is 5x is equal to x. Now, since my approach is arithmetic, which says same values can cancel each other on LHS and RHS, hence XS is cancelled. I'm left with 5 is equal to 1. But is 5 equal to 1? False. Since our approach was arithmetic, this is what led to this confusion. If we change our approach or methodology from arithmetic to equation, and to be very precise, it is a linear equation. Why linear equation? Because the degree of x, the degree of variable is 1. What do I mean by degree? Is the power of our variable. Here x power is 1. Here also it's 1. This is why it's linear. Linear means 1. Now, how did it change the approach? How will it affect the way we solve the problem? In this way, let's write our problem. Same 5 goes here as a multiplier, but now since it's a linear equation, now x can't cancel this x. Let's move it this side. Since this was positive here, this will come as a negative x and leaves 0 behind. 5x minus x is 4x is equal to 0. Now, since we are finding the value for x, means we can divide both sides by 4. X is equal to 0. So the right value of x is 0. I hope it is clear now. Why is it important for us to understand the question first, which category this problem belongs to in maths, and then it can help us solve the problem in a better way. Thank you.